taking up with Bachelor of Science and Tourism Management. And I'm very passionate about my advocacy, which is mental health awareness among our youth. Thank you so much, Talisay!
Miss Talisay, number 12, will be sashed by attorney Mark Lasarias from the City Legal Office, together with Dr. Rodolfo Patino, the president of the Masidugog Foundation Incorporated.